Well, in the first part of the video, I showed you how to add a textbook or a book as a resource to teacher practice area. And the video became long and I lost the rest of it, so I continue it in the second video. Let's go back to add an activity or resource. Again, we come back to this page. Go to resources. Now let's see how we can add a file, or let's see how to add a folder to the teacher practice area. If I want to add a file, I should click here on add. And first of all, I should name it, choose a name. It's the required field. Maybe I want to add some descriptions about file 1, okay. If I click on this part, this description will appear on the course page. Let's try it to see how it appears. And now I should select a file. This file can be chosen from different sources, but I have just made a file, a small file called file 1. Yes, file. Let's choose the PDF one to see how it looks. Upload. Okay, the file is here. Let's select the other file. We can also select the Word one. Okay, now I've got two files here in this page. I can go to different options like appearance, as we talked about the book, common module settings, how to be available, and restricting. Let's just see if we can add some restriction. Okay, access restriction. Badges allow only students who has a specified badge. We can do it. For example, if they are done with the book, then we can go to this part. Activity completion, course completed, date, grade, mobile app, user profile, level, restriction set. Add a set of nested restrictions to, okay, let's just set a date. After this date, students cannot do the task. For example, they must do it between these dates. Okay, let's save it. I'm not gonna add any other options. So it means that the activity is available from May 7, yes, up to the date we talked about. The activity type file 1, and when we clicked on the part of the description that showed the description will appear here, this was the description, and now it appears on the course page. Now let's see if we can add another source, a folder. I'm not sure how a folder appears on the course. Let's just try it together. Okay, let's call it folder 1. The description, folder 1. I'm not gonna let it display on the course page, so I do not tick up this part. Now I should add the files or file or folders. I can drag and drop it here or choose again from this part. Let's see if I can add this folder. I think I should add it as a folder. Okay, again, it doesn't add the whole folder. Perhaps I should have extracted the files. I'm not gonna add any other description or restrictions here. Just let's see how this part appears here. We've got the folder. If we go into it, we see this file, the only file that we selected. I think I should have selected both. We can download it or edit it even. Let's go back to choose both files in the folder. I can edit it by taking it to right or left, but let's just delete it to see how this can be deleted. Again, folder, add the folder, name it, no description required. Okay, let's this time choose both of them. I cannot choose both of them. Okay, just that's enough to have one, and then we figure out how it works later. Perhaps we can add some more items here in the folder. Okay, now as you see, we have added one label of resources, a textbook, a file, and a folder that we should figure out how we can add some more files into this folder. Let me go back with adding another resources to this area in the next video, because I'm using the free version of the Screencast-O-Matic and I'm limited in the time of the files. Thank you.